Hello and welcome to your SMARTR customer portal. This is your one-stop solution for information while using the SMARTR talent management platform. Today, we will walk you through how to submit a request and understand the differences between an issue and then find the box need to raise a request. Select the box and choose the request type that you want to suggest. Here, you have three options. First, other question is any request related to additional question you may have about the tools function to give you a better understanding of its usage. Second, report a bug is for you to report any difficulties you may experience using the platform. Third, suggest a new feature is for you to suggest any new feature you would like to add to the SMARTR platform aligning with our product development roadmap. Here's an example. When you report a bug, simply add your email to receive updates of your tickets with its progress. Briefly describe the issue starting with, I'm unable to complete an action. Provide additional description in the symptom box below with information such as the detail of your issue, the link to view, and any image that could provide us more insights for us to escalate your problem. Click Send once you have input all the necessary information. There will be a confirmation of your ticket right away, and you will also receive an email confirmation of your ticket as well. You will receive ticket updates each time of the ticket changes. Now, you can submit your own request while using the SMARTR talent management solution.